Hey, welcome back to Yond3r, and let's draw the new Yond3r from season 10. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the visor area first. So it's just going to be a pretty simple shape here. Just going to draw one line across. This is going to be the top. And then on the side here we're going to come down quite a bit. So this is going to be the side of the visor. Okay, and then once you have this little hook here, go back to the center. Just going to draw one line across. And then from this corner here, we'll just connect those. So that's going to be the shape of the visor. Alright, and then from there we'll draw in the mouth area. So from the corner here, just come straight down. A little bit before this point here, and then just close it off first. That's going to be the top of his mouth, and then from here just slant it down, and then this is the mouth area, so we're going to come in, just come back in and close it off. I know it's a little bit strange, everything's just kind of floating. Alright, so that's the mouth, and then to finish this off from the corner here, just go up into that. So this one's nice and easy. Okay, and then for the details, yes, this will be his nostrils. We'll just draw in two little bars right in the middle. And then for his teeth, I'm just going to draw two little rectangles right underneath here. So one, and then for the bottom one, just one more. We'll keep that simple. Alright, so now let's work on the shape of the head. So from the top here, I'm just going to extend the line and draw like a little really long rectangle. And then for the top of the head, just slant it up and then close it off. Okay, so we're drawing the ears later, so let's come down to the side. Go all the way down past the mouth area. Okay, and then slant in and then close it off. So this is going to be the bottom. This is the start of his neck. Alright, and then to finish up the jaw right here, right on the bottom, I'm just going to extend another rectangle and then follow this curve right here, this line. Just slant and then just close it. So slant up and then close it. Alright, so that's the jaw, and then whatever space you have here from this corner, I'm just gonna draw one line. I know there's a lot of little angles. Hopefully when we color them, we'll be able to see them a little bit clearer. And then now for the ear, so this one's easy. We'll just go out, close it off. So slant this one down and slant this one up, and then just close it off. And then for the details right here, right in the center, I'm just going to add one line and then divide this area up again. So I'm going to add one more line. So again, center, and then one more back here. Alright, so now for the little ear, right here, just go up. On this side, just slant it up. Okay, so go up. A little bit skinnier on the top. Come back down and then just close it off. Alright, so now for the body, and it's pretty cool looking. I guess it looks like Michael Jackson, right? His coat and all. So let's start out right here, right in the middle. Let's draw in the bow tie. So just come down, just draw a little shape like that, a little rounded square, and then just go out, close it off. And then in the middle here, I'm just gonna add one little line. Alright, so now we're gonna draw the just the inside of the coat here. So right here in the corner, just come down until you meet up to the little bow tie. And then I'm going to come down a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to draw in the big collar here. So right here, just go out, nice and wide, and then come back in toward the bow tie area. So just come straight into that. And then the bottom one, go out and just come down and just close everything off. So once we have the collar here, let's draw in the shoulder pad, which is going to be nice and wide here. So right around here, same area from the bow tie, just kind of go out and then come back in. So just like a little bar. And then right here, we got those decorations right here. So just come down and just draw like a bunch of these little rectangles. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these shapes. So just come down, go back up, and then just keep going until you reach all the way to the inside. Alright, so now we can come down and finish up the suit here. So here's the armpit, you can just come down right here. Okay, or we can draw the inside first. Just go all the way down. And then from the armpit here, just come down. Here's the waist. And then we're going to extend it. Just come out slightly. And we'll close that off. Okay, and then to finish off the inside, so you can come right here, you can make a little mark. And then we'll just go up, out into the side. And then from the middle here, just come down. And then we're going to angle it out. So this is the inside of the coat. Or the inside coat. Okay, and then just close it off. And let's just add in a couple of buttons right here so we know where we are. Okay, and then for the collar inside, just come right around here and just draw 2 slants going out. Alright, so now let's draw in his arms. So here's the armpit. So his shoulder's right around here, so I'm going to start a little bit in from here, not all the way out here. So just start here. Slant down. And then here's the elbow. Just going to come down and close it off because he's got those big gloves. And then for his glove, we just extend it. And then we're going to pinch it back in to the wrist, so right around here. Okay, and then for his fist right here, so just come down with a little hook, back of the fist, and then just turn it and close it. And for the details here, yeah, we just add in 1 line and just add in 2 buttons right there. Alright, so let's draw on the other side, and I'm gonna have his hand out a little bit more. This kind of looks like Michael Jackson with his glove. So again, here's the armpit, just kind of come down. So I'm gonna start right around here. Here's the elbow, and I'm just gonna extend it, just keep going and close it off. Alright, and for his glove, just come out and again pinch it in. And then let's just close that off first. And to finish off the glove, let's just go ahead and draw in 1 line. And we won't see the buttons because it's going to be on the back. Alright, so now to draw the hand, so this one's a little bit different. So here's his thumb, just come out. Just a little hook like this. Come in, that's the palm. Now on the back side here, just come out. Come here, come out. So here's the inside of the palm. So now we're going to draw in the fingers. So for the fingers, right around here and across, right in the middle, you can make a little point. Okay, so this is going to be the start of the middle finger. So let's just start here. 1. And then the second one, here's the middle finger, and then right at the point. So that's 2. Okay, so right here in between the space, 2 more. So this one's gonna be a little bit shorter. 1, and then finally the pinky. Alright, so now let's draw in his legs. And his pants are a little bit easier to draw. So we'll come down in the center, right in the middle, and then let's just add in one little extra fold. And then we're gonna start on the side here. Just come down kind of straight. So this is gonna be all the way down to his knee. So other side. Just use the other side for reference. Just kind of taper it in. Okay, and then for the bottom, come back up here. Flare out. And then just kind of pinch it in. And then right on the bottom here, I'm just gonna add a little bracket like this. And then for a shoe, just close it off first, the top, with a curve, and then we're gonna come down. Just draw a dome shape, just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and then just one little line on the bottom. Alright, so same thing here, come up here, flare out, and then slight curve, or you can just make it straight, doesn't really matter. It's supposed to be really tight. Slacks. Okay, so a little angle on the bottom. Close it out with a curve, and then same thing here in the shoe, just come down. Just come out more on this side. Alright, and then up here, it's got those same details as the shoulder pad up here. So I'm just gonna add in a few of these. Maybe just 3. So just go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then lastly, for some detail, this is just gonna be some borders around his coat. So let's start up here. There's gonna be one border all the way around the collar. I'm just gonna follow that line. So this part's gonna be gold. Okay, so same thing here. So whatever you have, just follow that line. And then one more on the bottom here. I'm gonna start right here. Just follow this angle coming down and just go out. Okay, same thing here. Down and then out. And that is it for this fully upgraded Yond3r from Season 10. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.